In order to have multiple instances of a part model in an assembly, where each instance can vary in size, you must use configurations. Configurations allow you to vary the definition of a part or assembly, including dimensions, features, and material properties. To create a configuration, enable the Configuration Manager using the tab at the top of the Feature Manager tree. Every part will have a single configuration called Default. To add a configuration, right-click the part name and select Add Configuration. You're prompted for a configuration name and an optional description and comment. You have additional options to define how the new configuration will appear in a bill of materials, how newly added features will be treated when this new configuration is not active, and whether a new part color should be used. I'll click OK to add the new configuration. Now at this point, I have two configurations, but only one is active. To switch between configurations, I'll double-click the configuration name, or right-click and select Show Configuration. Although two configurations are present, they are identical. To modify the newly created configuration, I'll edit the Extrude feature in the Feature Manager tree and set the extrusion depth to 24 inches. Note the configuration settings at the bottom of the Property Manager. In order for this change in length to affect only the active configuration, I have to enable the This Configuration option. Otherwise, the change will affect all configurations. With the setting activated, I'll click OK to complete the change. Now, when I go back to the Configuration Manager, I can switch between the two configurations and see the two versions of the part. When this part is used in an assembly, or drawing for that matter, you can control which configuration should be used. I'll create a new assembly and place the part. Notice the configuration that was active in the part file is the configuration I see here. To change this, I'll access component properties by right-clicking either the part itself or its listing in the Property Manager. Here, you'll see a list of the available configurations. I'll select a configuration name and click OK. I'll add a second instance of this same part, access its component properties, and activate the other configuration. And there you have it, a single part file shown in two different sizes. This procedure covers only the manual method of creating configurations. There's much more you can do with configurations, especially through the use of design tables. More detailed lessons on the subject of configurations are available in our Core Concepts course.